Howdy Forest Foodies and welcome back to Bigfoot Bistro. Today, we're making a dish that's sure to put a spring in your step.
First we give it a little spa treatment. A fire facial. You know, I asked this rabbit what its favorite type of music was.
Don't say it! Hip-hop!
After its spa treatment, it's time for a nice, cool bath. Cleans the ash and firms up the skin.
Now for the flavor. We start with our aromatics. What do you call a nosy pepper?
He's not going to stop, is he? Jalapeno business.
The key is to bruise, not pulverize. You want to release the oils, awaken the flavors.
Get all that goodness in there. We're not shy with the stuffing. Gotta show it some love. A full body marinade. It's the only way.
Perfectly balanced. This will ensure it cooks evenly as it turns.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Why did the chef get arrested?
I don't know, Rusty. Why?
For beating an egg.
This is the part that takes patience. Low and slow. You can't rush perfection.
Time for our secret weapon. A wild berry and pine sap glaze. Adds that sweet and tangy finish.
And it's done. Look at that color. The smell is incredible.
Oh yeah, falls right off the bone. That's the sign of a happy rabbit. Hey, Llewellyn.
The moment of truth. I'm so excited I could just... Well, you know... Well, what's the verdict?
Spicy, sweet, smoky, and incredibly juicy. Another success for the bistro.
Hey, Llewellyn.
That's all the time we have. Thanks for tuning in.
Join us next time, and until then, stay hungry and keep it squatchy.